Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable PDF form with date field. Open your PDF form with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this Prepare Form option. Select here. Again select Start and wait for a few seconds. All of this field are already selected as a text field. Now select Preview option and check this. Here you can type text and number. Also you can type here date field, symbol, etc. Check this field. Yeah. Also you can type here number. All of this field you can type number, text, symbol. Now you can select edit option. I will add a text field, new text field. Select this text box icon and do a text field. Now select right button for properties and go general option. Here you can change text box name. Also you can add tooltip, font field visible. You can make it hidden, read only required, and go appearance option. Here you can change border color, line thickness, fill color, line style. Also you can change font size, order, text color, text style, and go option. Here you can align text, center, right as to center. Also you can add multi-line, limited of characters. Now simply select close and check this. Type here text. This text middle align. Now I will finally add date field. Select edit option again. And here we will find this date field icon. Select here. Now do the date field and select right button for properties. And same way you can change date field name, visible, hidden, appearance option. This is what here. An option. This is enter. Now select format option. Here you can change date field format. I will choose this one. Now select close and preview. Yeah. Also you can manually type here a date. Yeah. This is. Now finally select close and save or save as your fillable PDF form. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.